start pulling your phone out to record? As soon as they said you could.
I don't know when my phone recording is an issue unless you have an issue. So I don't think my recording and you and I have a conversation. If you want to let me off and I let you off, we're good. Otherwise, off. My plane has already left.
Hey, Kharisma here. Oh, welcome back to Kharisma Daily. A drunk woman puts up a fight with cops and airport staff after being denied from boarding plane. Angela Nicole Killian, 44 years old, was flying on American Airlines from Dallas Fort Worth Airport to Columbia on September 12th when she was denied boarding and staff called police, accusing her of hitting them with her phone in a rage. She claimed to have only had 2 very full vodka tonics to drink at the airport, but was slurring and incoherent as she berated police, then wet herself on the floor. Court records show Killian was charged with resisting arrest and will face Tarrant County Criminal Court coming up. She's yet to enter a plea. Let's take a listen to the story.
Break it up. Hey,
Move back.
100%. That man said, get his beat. Great. I'm standing over here. I want you to go deal with that man saying, get his beat. Go, then deal with that him. Great. Go. Deal with him.
No, I'm going to deal with him first. Okay? So you can go stand over here so we can talk.
I can go amazing. What? Come on, tell me.
Stay
We're going to walk out. Okay. Sit down. What is going on? I heard you from all the way down there. Did she assault somebody?
When I ran up, she was in the corner. She had her camera in the face of one of them, and they were all grouped together.
Where's your driver's license ID? Charles, there we got one. Handcuffs. Chest to chest? Or like,
Chest to chest.
She chest to chest.
Her,
me,
and him.
okay. And like
And
try to
swiped.
push?
Yeah.
She slapped. Yeah, she's like tried to slap me.
Did she actually hit anybody? That's what I'm asking.
she did make contact. Contact was made.
With her phone.
Contact was made.
But she started screaming directly in my face. And I said, "You're not going to scream at me. You're going to calm down. This is the very behavior that our captain has denied boarding for." At which point, she starts slapping at me with the phone, and she hit me here.
Okay.
You don't want to tell me anything?
Nope.
Okay. I'm really just trying to figure out what's happening.
Hey, sorry, I'm out of state. You say there's another attack on curves or what?
I'm done.
I don't even know what's going on. That's what I'm trying to figure
Yep,
out.
you don't.
Right.
I am not walking my way into this, so you can off. This is not what you think. I have flown for 30 years.
It'll be a
I don't
lot.
care. I'm supposed to be in Colombia for a business trip, and I've been flying for 14 years.
Okay.
And I've never had a single encounter, and I don't know how this happened, and I'm so sad. And
Okay.
You're drunk. That's what has happened. You've been flying for 14 years and you don't know what's going on right now? You're intoxicated, lady. Okay? That's what's going on.
I'm just, please let me go home.
Okay. Why
I'm
can't
not
you do
as
that?
drunk as you think I am. I am
Really?
just super traumatized that I am handcuffed.
Okay. How much did you have to drink?
I had 2 drinks,
Okay.
full drinks, very full drinks, but not any more than I normally drink when I travel.
Okay.
I've done this a million times.
Okay. What kind of
So she's always drunk when she travels, in other words.
drinks were they?
They were vodka tonics,
Okay.
the same things I always have.
Okay.
I swear, I cannot overstate.
Okay.
I'm not innocent, but Jesus.
So do you think they didn't let you on because you were...
No, they didn't let me on because I got on at the wrong time. I got on late. My wrists hurt so bad.
Okay, well,
I'm
we just
usually
gotta put
on
this on,
so
okay?
early, and they were just.
For
I
your
didn't
own
record.
benefit.
I mean, I recorded something. I don't even know where to record. I wasn't trying to record to be an. I just.
Okay.
for me.
Do you understand why it escalated to the situation?
No, I don't. Actually, I don't. I actually don't. It doesn't mean that I won't do something different next, but I don't actually understand.
Okay, would you like me to explain why?
No, I don't. I just want to go home. I'm definitely not completely sober, but I'm not.
I appreciate you being honest about that because it is helping.
She scans on, goes to the door, then she just started yelling. F this, F that. I said, ma'am.
So she walked down here? Okay.
Ma'am.
And she had already scanned?
Yeah,
Okay.
she had did the biometrics.
Okay.
I said, ma'am, we can't have that language. What's going on? Are you kidding me? I said, okay. Just come out, talk to a manager. So I called for the manager. She called me on the phone, said she'll be down. At that time, the captain comes up because he didn't have all his paperwork for the international. So I called the manager back. I said, hey, the captain needs his paperwork. He only got 2. He needs 3 more. What did you say the captain said? What did you say the captain said? So the captain's standing right there. And she's like, what did you captain say? Mind you, I'm speaking about the captain needs his paperwork. So at that point, the captain talked to her. You're not going on the flight. This is why you're not. Get out of my face. You will not be talking to my flight attendants like that. If you're up here talking like this, you will not be talking to me like that.
What's going on?
So at that point, the captain said she's not going at all.
When did you start pulling your phone out to record? As soon as they said you could?
I don't know when my phone recording is an issue unless you have an issue. So I don't think my recording and you and I have a conversation. If you want to let me off and I let you off, we're good. Otherwise, off. My plane has already left. Off.
Okay.
Either arrest me now, detain me.
You are detained.
Great.
That's why you're in
Then
cuffs.
give me
So
a
sit
detain.
down.
And then I would like to contact my lawyer.
Okay. You can
Great.
Wow.
Then let's contact my lawyer.
Okay.
Then let's.
This woman is off the rails.
Let's do that now because I'm done. I am trying to be nice, and now I'm done.
Appreciate it.
So let's call my lawyer.
Okay. We can do that in a
Great. No, now. I have a lawyer now. No, I have a lawyer now. Do I have a lawyer now?
Do not move.
Do I have a lawyer now?
Do not move.
Do I have a lawyer now? Do I have a legal right to lawyer now? Then
Detained right now.
do I have a legal lawyer to desire now, or yes or no?
No, you're being detained right now.
I do not have an option to a lawyer right now. You're telling me I do not.
That's right.
So I do not have an option to a lawyer right now.
You're not under arrest. Not
Then I get to go on my own.
You are being detained.
So I'm being detained. Then I want a lawyer.
Are we good? As far as the PI? Okay. You're under arrest for PI.
Okay. Now you're under arrest.
Stand up.
Is this your stuff?
Oh,
What did I do exactly?
You're under arrest for public intoxication.
What did I do? Stop!
All right.
Stop!
We're charging you with resistance.
I have a recording. Pieces of mediocre your life. You make yourself feel good, making 60 grand a year. You tiny piece of. You feel good, your wife, with your 5-inch. You can.
What happened here?
Are you done yet?
Yeah.
Stand up.
Okay, stand up.
Oh my god.
Let me get a wheelchair. That's fine. She can stay down.
Ridiculous.
Herself? Yep, she did.
No, I didn't.
Yeah, you did.
No, I didn't.
No, I can smell it.
She's feeding herself.
It's probably your wife, the guy that her before. You feel good about yourself? You 6'5'8" stack short, tiny. I'm an American Executive Platinum person. This is not a normal situation. No, not your guy. No. Sorry. And also you're a limp.
Stop, lady! Jesus!
I'm not doing anything.
Yes, you are!
No, I'm not. I'm literally laying down the way that you want. What's the problem, buddy? Don't you have 2 people on one? What is the issue?
1, 2, 3.
Yeah. You have to carry her like this.
It's amazing. Are you willing to walk now? Yes! The more you
So I get
resist,
arrested?
you are arrested. You are under
I have not
arrest.
done anything wrong!
Belligerent. Okay? This is crazy to me. Crazy behavior. She's not only drunk, intoxicated, but she's absolutely off the rails. She's resisting arrest. She's swearing like a pirate. She has no respect for the law or for herself and for anyone around here. I mean, God, I wonder what she does for a living, because I would not want to have any interaction with this woman on a good day. So there you have it. Let me know your thoughts. Looking forward to hearing from you. I'll see you in the next one.